Good morning, friends. Welcome to all of you in the amazing Steno channel. Today, I have come with a new series which is going to be very fruitful for you if you complete all videos by writing or listening. The motto or mission of making this series is to make you aware or get you known all kinds of words from the particular topic. The dictation will be provided topic wise. As you know, guys, that if all the topics that we are dictated at the time of a stenographer a skill test can be further divided into the following categories. The first is socio-economic issues of current nature. The second one is science and technology. Third one is value and morality based. Fourth one is imaginative and statement or idiom based. The fifth one is political issues. Sixth one is educational issues. Seventh one is environmental issues. And the eighth one is games and sports. And the ninth one or the last one is current topics. So, serially we will cover all kinds of sections, and from today I have taken an initiative to make you aware of all kinds of words from the particular section. And today I start with the very first topic, that is socio-economic issues of current nature, and the topic which I have taken today is GST in India. सो गेट रेडी। हिंदी में बताऊं कि मेरा ये उद्देश्य है कि हम आपके सारे कंटेंट्स को टॉपिक वाइज फिनिश करें, क्योंकि कई ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक से जो लेफ्ट आउट हो जाते हैं, मिस छूट जाते हैं जब आप स्किल टेस्ट देने जाते हो। तो बेहतर है कि हम किसी एक टॉपिक को करने के बाद उसे उस तरीके से स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लें मिस की उनमें उनके अंदर आने वाले जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं उसको हम पूरा कवर कर पाएँ। तो इसका उद्देश्य वही है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज जीएसटी इन इंडिया। सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग। 5 4 3 2 1 start. The full form of GST is Goods and Services Tax. It is an indirect tax for the whole of India. This tax will be applicable from July 1, 2017. It is a single tax on supply of goods and services from manufacturer to consumer. Or at present, there are many taxes at each stage of value addition in goods and services. However, with the implementation of GST, the final consumer will pay only the GST charged by the last dealer in the supply chain, which will compensate all the previous stages. There are several benefits of GST in India. It will make tax payment easy and transparent. It will make the tax structures and rates uniform in India. It will reduce hidden cost of doing business. It will reduce the transaction cost and therefore would improve the competitiveness for the trade and industry. It will phase out the central sales tax and include central and state taxes within a single GST. It will reduce the cost of locally manufactured goods and services. This will improve the competitiveness of Indian goods and services in the international market and therefore boost the Indian exports. For central and state governments, it will mean simple and easy management of one tax in comparison to many indirect central and state taxes as in the past. It will result in better tax compliance due to a robust IT infrastructure. The mechanism is designed to give incentives to those traders who fulfill their tax obligations. It is expected that GST will decrease the cost of collection of tax revenues of the government and will lead to higher revenue efficiency. In addition to the benefits to business and industry and state and central governments, GST will be highly beneficial to the consumers. The cost of many goods and services in the country are today laden with many hidden taxes. This is due to multiple indirect taxes being levied by the center and states. Often, the consumer does not know how much he or she is paying as indirect taxes on goods or services. Now, there will be only one GST, that is, only one tax from manufacturer to consumer, resulting in greater transparency. Besides, there will be relief in overall tax burden for the consumer. India is a federal nation, that is, there is union and states. So, there will be two components of GST, center GST and a state GST. Both center and states will simultaneously levy GST across the value chain. Tax will be levied on every supply of goods and services. Center would levy and collect central goods and services. A state would levy and collect the state goods and services tax. States would levy and collect the state goods and services tax on all transactions within a state. The input tax credit of CGST would be available for discharging the CGST liability on the output at each stage. Similarly, the credit of SGST paid on inputs would be allowed for paying the SGST on output. No cross utilization of credit would be permitted. Therefore, in conclusion, we can say that GST in India is a good step for improving the indirect tax management. This step will be beneficial for consumers, traders, and service providers because it will bring uniformity and cost reduction in goods and services. It will also be good for the nation because there will be greater tax compliance and the collection will be higher, which will help the development of the nation. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to share to your friends and your groups so that all friends can be known to this initiative. And that's all. Thank you.